You take your treat, girl. Huh? You take your treat.
Shut up, you got your own. Here, eat that.
Don't look at me, I ain't eating it. How's it taste?
Hey, lie, it don't taste like peanut butter.
It don't taste like peanut butter? And nothing like peanut butter? Like old fucker. Here, show me a fresh corner and start on it.
Shut the fuck up, you got your own.
What's he doing, Domino? What's he doing? Huh? What's he doing? Is he eating your chew? Is he eating your peanut butter chew? Huh? Tell him, give it back. Tell him. Say, give it back. Give it back. Tell him, give it back.
Get your own. Oh yeah, that's right, you don't got thumbs, bitch.
What's our status? We got a report that there may in fact be unaffected survivors. What kind of report? What do you mean report? Colonel, we have
You see the joy in it?
They're not out?
Huh?
Absolutely not.
Do you like it?
Civilians attacking on
Sick fucker.
It feels like cotton in my teeth.
Relations until we've got some-
You fucking eat it, I don't want it.
You sick fuck.
Something that area cleared by some-
Should have made her bark for it at least.
Sector 7 by door. That's one of the worst areas.
How's that taste, pal?
With all due respect, Mr. Cross,
Stofers?
we do things a little bit differently than you guys.
Feels like I had one of them fucking pretzel thingies that have cream in the middle of them, and the cream's all stuck up in my teeth.
You know what this is.
Whatever they say, man, it don't taste like peanut butter.
No?
Right now, we've walked.
You like it, all right.
On the ground.